and gentlemen, please welcome Alberto Del Rio's personal ring announcer, Ricardo Rodriguez.
So this is a one-on-one match. Remember what's at stake here. And to the millions of Bullheimers that are tuning in right now, I'll do my best to keep the King's commentary on fire, but I can't make any promises. And I'll do my best to try to not punch you in the face, but I won't make any promises either. Great move, Tony. WWE Magazine out this month, and you'll find some interesting articles in there about all the superstars here in the WWE. Del Rio as the headline. In all honesty, Michael, if Alberto Del Rio does have a weakness, what is it? Well, some people would say his kindness would be his weakness. He does a lot of charity, does Alberto Del Rio. That is press, and now a flurry of punches. These are great competitors, great, tremendous gladiators here at WWE. Is ready. He knows what has to be done here tonight. Down here. A tough jawbreaker there. Now that's how you do it. Del Rio squeezing down on. Great match here. But if you missed any of the matches from this week, go to WWE.com to catch up on all the action. Del Rio goes behind. I'm not sure I've ever met a man more arrogant and obnoxious than Alberto Del Rio. And that's saying something. Because I work with you every week, Michael. He's in a bad spot here. Del Rio countered that nicely. I love Ricardo Rodriguez. This guy is awesome. Yeah, but what about his hair? It's so greasy you can fry chicken in it. Oh, the punch connects. Oh, in the corner here. spot to be in. And there's no denying what Del Rio has accomplished since bursting on the scene in WWE. I mean, he's taken out Mysterio, he's taken out Christian. I wonder who's next.
Yeah, everybody better be watching their back because this guy is great at jumping people from behind.
Cena just one heartbeat quicker on that exchange.
What's Del Rio going to do with this?
That move will knock the wind right out of you.
This has been a very methodical attack.
A beautiful kick to the head from Del Rio.
Wait a minute.
Look at the look on Del Rio's face. Cross-arm breaker. The arm sniper extended. And this should do it. Oh, you do not get up from that.
Ow! Oh my gosh, his neck and back and shoulders driven right into the ground. What a display of power that was.
The power of Cena. How in the world does he do it? Hey, what do you think Alberto Del Rio needs to do now?
Well, on paper they matched up evenly. I'm not really sure he has any advantage. So he really needs to suck it up and just do what he does best right now.
Look out! And Cena ready to put it away right here.
Wait a minute.
But Cena's in the kick. Cena.
Watch it.
John Cena, poised with the attitude adjuster. Can you believe that power from John Cena? Hooking away.
He's got to jump for the pin. Turn around, right? This arena is absolutely electric for John Cena.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put each other through. The intensity in this has been incredible.
There's so many impressive things about John Cena, but maybe the most impressive gift he has is his mental toughness. I'm not sure I've ever seen Cena lose focus in a match.
1, 2,
3.
Cena did it. Cena gets the win. A lot of aggression there.
That was just a one-sided beatdown.